Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Refrigeration Industry Weekly. I'm your host, Elena. We've rounded up the hottest and coolest stories from the refrigeration world this week. Hang tight as we dive into innovative CO2 heat pumps, exciting new calls for project submissions, a leap in AI factory design, the latest shipment buzz, and a collaborative research initiative aimed at sustainability. Let's get started. First up, Advansor has just unveiled their cutting-edge SteelXL heat pumps, a series of CO2 heat pumps engineered for large-scale applications. These pumps are capable of delivering up to 5 megawatts of heating and 3 megawatts of cooling, making them a robust choice for replacing traditional gas or oil boilers. With water outlet temperatures reaching up to 95 degrees Celsius, these units perfectly fit into existing systems pads, and they align with EU F-gas regulations. They promise a quick and easy installation process with advanced features like Modbus integration. Truly a game changer for industries like food processing and commercial buildings. Now shifting gears to the publishing side of things, Refindustry has announced open submissions for their next CO2 special edition of Refrigeration Industry magazine. They're inviting companies to share their most innovative CO2 refrigeration projects and designs. Scheduled for release in May 2026, this edition will shine a spotlight on pioneering CO2 technology developments across sectors such as food retail, logistics, and transport refrigeration. If your company has a standout project, be sure to submit it by April 24th, 2026. On to some tech-forward news. Trane Technologies has taken a leap with their enhanced thermal management design for gigawatt-scale AI factories, unveiling 2 refined Trane Continuum Rubin DSX references. These offerings promise nearly a 10% improvement in thermal management performance, paving the way for increased compute outputs without additional energy demands. The highlight is their duplex simplified system design, which boosts efficiency by 14%, integrating heat recovery for sustainable operations. This represents significant progress in scaling AI infrastructures sustainably and reliably. In next week's segment, we've got some industry statistics rolling in from AHRI. There was a notable dip in U.S. shipments of central air conditioners and air source heat pumps in January 2026, amounting to 440,819 units, which is a 29.2% decrease from the previous year. A more detailed look reveals central air conditioners saw a sharper drop at 39.3%, while air source heat pumps reduced by 16.5%. Various categories and sizes experienced changes, worth monitoring as these trends unfold. Wrapping up today's roundup, Danfoss has teamed up with the FAMU-FSU College of Engineering to launch an ambitious research fellowship program. This partnership supports graduate students and faculty in advancing HVAC sustainability and energy efficiency through cutting-edge research. The program integrates experts from Danfoss and the University of Southern Denmark, fostering collaboration and innovation. With substantial funding and global networking opportunities, this initiative is set to propel the next wave of HVAC engineers towards a sustainable future. That's a wrap on this week's top stories from the refrigeration industry. I hope you found something that sparked your curiosity or made you smile. Remember, you can find the full details on these stories and more by visiting refindustry.com. Stay cool, stay informed, and tune in next week for more exciting updates. Until then, this is Elena signing off. Have a fantastic day.